Hey guys, so in this video I'll be trying out a little bit of a different style. Instead of a repair video, I'm actually going to be doing a review of an engine. So today I'll be reviewing a Mercruiser 6.2 inboard engine. The model specifically shown here is a 6.2 MX Horizon inboard, this one specifically from 2005. It's a closed-cooled V-drive engine in this specific application, though this review can be applied to the 6.2 of all Mercury makes, including stern drives. So the 6.2 MX has 320 horsepower. When it was introduced in the early 2000s, it was phasing in for the much heavier 7.4s that barely made 310 horsepower. Because of the significant weight and displacement advantage, the 6.2 gets a significant bump in fuel economy and power over the 7.4, all while being able to push the same boat. The 7.4 weighs approximately 1,050 pounds each engine, where the 6.2 weighs approximately 900 pounds an engine. The 6.2 is on the relatively cheap side to maintain, especially since the maintenance parts are shared between all the Mercruiser small block family engines. Plenty of aftermarket items are also readily available if you don't feel like purchasing OEM parts. The Mercury 6.2 is not without its downfalls though. Just as any engine would have problems, so does this one. A few things to note include the Cool Fuel 3 module, which was put on a significant number of 6.2s, but not all of them. This specific Cool Fuel 3 can have a top cap issue, which, if you click a link here in the video, we have another video on specifically Cool Fuel 3s that talk about all their problems. They also have water pump failure issues, raw water, which is common on all inboard and Bravo drive applications for Mercury to have these kinds of issues, as the part of the pump is universal on almost all Mercruiser engines. These engines also have issue with water pressure sensors failing. I do not currently have a video explaining this issue, but when I do, I will put a link here. Overall, these engines are great in smaller boats. They pack a lot of power and fuel economy for their size and weight, while being relatively cheap to fix and maintain. Engines will be rated in a few categories on these kinds of reviews: ease of use, reliability, smooth operation, maintenance cost, and overall score. For ease of use, this engine is as simple as it gets, so it's a 10. Reliability, how many breakdowns it will have, I rate it a 7, so it's very good. Smooth operation, how well the engine performs, will also be a 7. The overall maintenance cost for the engine is going to be 8, which means it's going to be relatively cheap. And the overall score for this engine altogether is 7. If you liked this video, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe, as it really does help the channel out. Have a question or comment? Feel free to leave it down below. Hope this video helps you understand the 6.2 platform a little better, whether or not you're looking to buy or just want more info on your engine. The Mercury 6.2 comes with an ECM 555 if it has mechanical throttle and shift like this one, as well as semi-sequential fuel injection. That means it fires 2 injectors at the same time instead of just one. It also has a Distributor Ignition for spark, which is significantly advanced over basic Distributor Ignition.